Hello, my dear students. Now we will learn about the topic which is interview. Okay, so let's understand what is an interview. Interview refers to the face-to-face meeting of the employer and employee. Okay, here the person employer and employee meet together and to discuss about the job which is going to offer to the interviewee at this stage. Okay. It is an oral examination through the two-way communication process where the interviewer obtain the required information about the company and the job of the interviewee and particular job which is going to be offered. Okay, so at this stage there are various types of interview. We are going to learn the various types of interview. So first type is a structured interview. In this type of interview is a predetermined. Here everything is a structure. What type of question is going to be asked, what is going to be happening, it is completely structured into the format. The question to be asked, the order of the question is to be asked, what kind of things to be done needs to be structured in detail before taking an interview. Structured interview is also called as a standardized pattern or directed or guided interview because everything is decided. Any employee should become same question will be asked to them. Structured interview as a pre-plan in the nature. They are accurate, precise and uniform. They ensure the maximum consistency and minimum bias because everything is very well planned. Okay, so next one is unstructured interview. Unstructured interview is exactly opposite to your structured interview. In this interview, nothing has been planned. Nothing has been prepared at this particular kind of stage in the detail. As it is also called as a non-directed interview. The question to be asked, information to be filled, information to be collected, everything is more flexible. It is not planned. Anything can be asked at any point of time. Candidates are more relaxed during such kind of interviews. They are encouraged to express themselves about the different kind of subject based on their particular kind of job over here and about their expectation, motivations, about their background, interests. They are free to talk about anything because this is not structured. Simple basic question will be asked or any difficult question also be asked, but it is not judged on a specific kind of thing. The interviewer can make the better judgment on the candidates. If the interview is not efficient, then the discussion will be lose the direction of that. So here there are positive and negative point both. Positive point is inner personality of an interviewer come into the scenario or comes out, you can say. But here the lot of time also you waste because nothing has been planned. Time and efforts are less important over here. Thus, the success of such type of interview depends upon the skill of the interviewer, like spot analysis or on the spot ability of the interviewer is plays very important role over here. Then it is about the group interview. Third type is your group interview. In this kind of interview, small group of the candidate are interviewed. It is not one-on-one. There 3 people or 2 people will be into the one interview together, which saves the time of the interviewer. Like 3 people will be asked the question at the same time. Group interview is similar to the group discussion process which we all do in our colleges or any kind of job. The topic is given to the group and they are asked to discuss it. On that particular basis, you understand the ability of the particular kind of persons over there. The interviewer is carefully watched the candidates, their thought process, their involvement, everything is observed into that, and on that basis your job is going to be analyzed. In order judge the behavior of each candidate in a group discussion, that plays a very important role over here. Fourth type is individual interview. Individual interview is one-on-one interview, that it is one person, interviewer and interviewee. It is a verbal and visual interaction between the interviewer and the candidate for a particular purpose. The purpose of this interview is to match the candidate with the job, like one-on-one, and the questions is to be asked. It is a two-way communication process into this. So individual interview is mostly for a specific purpose of the job. Then it comes to your panel interview. Panel means a selection committee or interviewer committee is there appointed for interviewing the candidates. The panel may include the 5 members, 3 members, or it can be 10 members also who can come into the panel, and each person is specialized in something. So they will be asking a lot of questions into this kind of interview. The final decision is taken by all the members of the committee. If agreed on one point, then only the candidate is selected. Panel interview is always better than one-on-one interview, as collective judgment is used for selecting the particular kind of people. Like one judgment is not that helpful, but collective judgment is also plays a very important role. Then it about your formal interview. It is held in a formal atmosphere. The interviewer asks pre-planned questions, and it is also called as a planned interview or your structured interview. The formal question and answers which is asked. Example, I can give you what is your name, what is your qualification, where you're going to see in next 5 years. So these are very planned interview or formal interview. Then it comes to your informal interview. Informal interview is an oral interview which is arranged at any places. Different type of questions to be asked to collect the required information about the job positions of the candidate. Specific rigid procedure is not being followed. The name suggested is a friendly interview. This is mostly used into your startups, like more friendly interview has been taken at this time. Next one is your stress interview. The purpose of this interview is to find out how the candidate is behaving in a particular kind of stressful situation. Candidate keeps on stressful situation is selected for stressful job, like any kind of job which is stressful. So you need to deal with those stress. So here this is asked. Here the candidate tries to get a stressful situation during the interview, and they observe how people is reacting, how they are calm down, how they are dealing with this kind of situation. Mostly this happens in your customer care situation or any kind of industry where it is required. Next is come to your depth interview. This is a semi-structured interview. Now, depth interview is your most semi-structured interview. Candidate has to give the detailed information about his background, special interest, like it is in-depth knowledge is asked about this particular kind of interview. He also has to give the detailed information about the subject. Depth interview is to find out the candidate is expert into that subject or not. This is mostly done into when you're doing the selection for an higher positions like your CEO or any kind of good position where you need that kind of knowledgeable person should be there. And the last is your exit interview. This interview is conducted by the human resource development team or a managers for an employee who will leave the organization. Exit interview is taken into the situation just to find out any discrepancies happen, what is the reason that employee is leaving, any loopholes which company is missing. So this interview will be asked the various questions about the organization and what is a reason for the resignation, and asked to withdraw his resignation by providing some incentives. This is about your exit interview. So here we have learned the 10 types of your interview. The first type of your interview is structured interview, unstructured interview, and then it is your group interview, individual interview, group interview. It is again about individual interview, panel interview, formal interview, informal interview, stress interview, depth interview, exit interview. So these are your 10 types of your interview. Okay, now we will learn the guidelines for interviewer, like to take an interview. First of all, first step is your establish the interview plan. Interviewer must be clear about the basic purpose of taking an interview. Accordingly, specific areas on which questions need to be asked. Second is about the prepare the list of questions that needs to be asked directly related to the job and the responsibilities. Interviewer should be prepared about everything he wanted to ask about that particular kind of job or services. Review the candidate resume before the interview. They have to take a look at the entire CV of a particular candidate before they take an interview. It also shows the candidate that interviewer has taken time to ensure the productive interview. Then fourth guideline is outline the interview structure for the candidate. The interviewer must develop the brief description about the company's profile, outline of the job detail, tasks need to be asked to perform this job. Sufficient time must be also given for the candidate to ask the questions. The word This would be set up parameters for an interview to keep it focused. Don't talk too much during the interview. This is a basic guideline. Be an active listeners. Many times it is a problem with the interviewer that they don't have the patience to listen everything. So basic quality of the interviewer or any kind of HR person, that you have to listen, because human resource management or development is more about understanding the needs of your employee. So to understand the needs, you have to listen to them. Okay, understand, compress and gain the insight in replies given by the interview. The interviewer must provide full information of the job to provide the realistic picture of the candidate. Watch non-verbal signals. An applicant facial expression, gestures, body language provide a clues that person attitude and feeling. So whenever you are taking this interview, so you have to look into all these aspects of the person. The interviewers must understand such non-verbal clues, must be aware of what they themselves are communicating, which is non-verbally, which is communicated, like how they are behaving, how is sitting, is he respectful. So all this come to know during the time of your interview. Use of a question effectively. In order to find out the truthful answer of the question must be framed as objectively, so they can guess the right answer from the interview. Be pilot but true professional. The interview must not be spent his time of chatting with the interviewee. He should spend a quality time while asking the different question and getting the appropriate information about the same. Separate facts from the interface. During the interview, record factual information and lateral record this interface and interpretations of the fact. So separate facts from the interfaces that has to be collected while taking an interview. So these are some basic points or the guidelines that every interviewer should follow. So now we will learn the guidelines for an interviewee, those who are going to give the interview. So this is for all of you students. You should carefully listen to this. First of all, always remember, first impression is the last impression. First impression is very important. Correct appearance of a specific significance. Even if the employer has a very relaxed, you have to be very well behaved and well mannered. The interviewee must be smartly dressed up for the interview, as indicates how much importance are be given for the interviewee. Okay. The next one is arrive 5 minutes early before your interview is start. Late coming is always negligible in case of your interview. It's like first come first serve basis. This will give the interviewee enough time to relax, check his or her appearance, read any notes if anything you have. It also gives them a chance to glance through any corporate literature displayed in the reception, like more information about the company. So this is very helpful. Make sure to know interviewer's name and position in the company. You should know these things like position of the company which you have applied for, key roles played in the position which he or she has applied for. Confident gestures, no matter what. Most important thing and only important thing into today's industry is confidence. Confidence is way more important for performing any kind of thing. Meeting the interview must be maintained a good eye contact, and handshake also plays very important role. Like this has a various types of handshakes which conveys the feeling of the confident. For example, interview must not slouch when offered the seat, and you should always wait for him to ask you to sit. So don't be over smart at this time. Prepare thoroughly for an interview. You should be always remember that you should know everything what you have written down in your CV and what position you are applied for. So you should have the particular kind of knowledge about it, like their background, structured services, company, their positions, everything. Skilled, unskilled, everything you know about the particular kind of job. Ask the question during the interview. Yes, asking the question shows the interest to them, like you are asking some questions to them. Then study one CV thoroughly. As I always say, you have to study the CV thoroughly, because whatever you have written into the CV, that is the only questions, 90% questions which will be asked during the time of your interview. Listen carefully. Listening is very good ability that interviewer and interviewer both of you have. You have to listen first and then speak. The interviewee must have the extremely positive attitude. No matter you know the things or not, but you should be always positive towards it. Like at the time of when, whether the response is positive or not, you should be always positive attitude. Whether you know the things or not, but you should be positive towards what you have applied for. Okay, so these are the guidelines for an interviewee. Okay, like first I will repeat, first impression is a last impression. Then arriving 5 minutes before, make sure to know interviewer's name and position which you are applying for. Confident gesture, prepare thoroughly before you go for an interview. Ask question during CV, study once your CV thoroughly, listen carefully, and interview must have extremely positive attitude throughout. Okay, so this is something which you have to remember for your particular kind of interview.